This is a screw banding tool. Here you can see the cutting blade and the cutting lever used to trim stainless steel bands. To replace the blade, you will need a new replacement blade and Allen keys to remove the fixing screw. This is the replacement cutting blade. Before installation, check the blade from all sides to ensure it is clean and undamaged. To begin the replacement process, loosen and remove the screw that holds the blade and cutting handle in place. Next, remove the cutting lever from the mechanism. Carefully slide the blade out of the tool. If the blade has been properly lubricated, it should come out easily. Insert the new blade into the tool. Apply a small amount of lubricant to ensure smooth operation. Reinstall the cutting lever and tighten the fixing screw securely. The blade replacement is now complete. The cutting mechanism operates smoothly and the tool is ready for use. For more maintenance tutorials and professional tool guides, subscribe to the Lube channel.